everyone, I'm Brittany from Wheel Every Weekend, and I'm really excited to share with you a first look at SmittyBilt's 3rd generation XRC winch. It has a 7 horsepower motor, so it's got 10% more line speed and horsepower with less amp draw. There are a lot of really cool features about this thing. First of all, there's a light under the tie bar so you can see what you're spooling. There is the detachable body armor, so if you smash it into a rock, it's not a huge deal. There's the very large clutch lever that's really clearly labeled, so you know whether it's engaged or in free spool mode. The control box also has a daytime running light at the top here, and it has a stud for accessory 12-volt power. What's cool about this is that you already have a positive cable running to your winch. You don't need to run a bunch more for your various accessories. You can use this as a junction block for that. There are also a lot of options for Fairlead and cable. This is the 12,000-pound synthetic cable. And our favorite part about this winch is the remote. So it has a magnet, so if you need to stop winching, put this down for some reason, stack a rock or whatnot, you can just stick it to something metal and know where it is and not step on it or lose it or forget about it. There's also a flashlight for when you are inevitably broken down at night. And these 3 lights here are a load sensor, so it will let you know when you reach the breaking point of the line. So it's really safe, lots of really neat features, and we are very excited to try it out. We have a trip to the Rubicon coming up in 2 weeks, and we will put it to the test and let you know how it goes.